a lot of fun, thought Peter. Who is Peter? Si Flopsy, si Mopsy, and Flopsy. Maybe Flopsy will like my big noisy drum. Bang, 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 bang. Flopsy did not like Peter's big noisy drum. So Peter gently rocked his little sister back to sleep. Next page. Wow. Perhaps my drum is too noisy, thought Peter. Maybe Mopsy will like my nice, quiet boat. But Peter's second little sister hardly looked at the boat before yawning and drifting off to sleep. Perhaps my boat is too quiet, thought Peter. On next page. Peter felt a little bit sad. His little sisters were not as much fun as he thought they might be. Baby bunnies spend a lot of time sleeping, but soon they will want to play with you, miss. Just wait for a while, Peter. So Peter drum. So Peter Rabbit waited and waited. After what felt like a really long time, Peter heard a tiny sound. His third baby sister was awake.